in here, but he's not a real peacock in this story. You'll see.
Silly Goose by Marnie McGee and Allison Edgson. Goose was very happy. Sun was shining, bird was singing, bee was buzzing in the flowers. Goose began to dance on the banks of Frog Jump Pond. Goose saw Fox. "Good morning, Fox," she called. But Fox didn't say good morning. Instead, he said, "Goose, your ears are missing." "My ears?" Goose gasped. "Missing?" Fox held out his paws. "Look in the pond. What do you see?" Goose looked. "I see my white feathers, my long, long neck, and my beautiful wings." "Ah," said Fox, "but do you see your ears?" "Well, no," said Goose, "but I can fix that, dear Fox." And she set 2 pink flowers on her head. "Pah!" scoffed Fox. "Ears are not soft and pink. Ears are stiff, pointy things with fur." "Where could my ears be?" wondered Goose. "Did you take them off?" asked Fox. "Must have," said Goose. "I guess. May I have your ears, dear Fox?" "No," snapped Fox. "You may not. They are the wrong color for you." "Oh dear," said Goose, and off she ran until she met Rabbit. "Rabbit," said Goose, "I have lost my ears somewhere, somehow. May I have your ears, dear Rabbit?" "No, silly Goose," sighed Rabbit. "They would be too long for you." "Oh dear," said Goose, and off she ran until she met Cow. "Cow," cried Goose, "I have lost my ears. I must have ears right now. May I have your ears, dear Cow?" "Such a silly Goose," Cow grumbled. "My ears would be too big for you." "Oh dear," wailed Goose. But then she heard someone calling, "Ears for sale! Get your ears from Peacock's shop!" Goose saw a strange bird with bright feathers, bows, and trailing ribbon. "I would like 2 white ears, if you please," she said. Peacock bowed low. "Come to my shop, madam," he said. "You will choose the perfect ears for a delightful creature like you." "Goody!" gushed Goose, and off they pranced. Goose did not notice his pointy snout, his sharp teeth, or his bushy red tail. But Rabbit saw. Peacocks do not have pointy snouts, sharp teeth, or bushy red tails," he thought. His whiskers trembled with the truth. Peacock is Fox in disguise. Quickly he gathered the animals. "Hurry, hurry, hurry," he cried. "Fox has tricked our poor silly Goose." So the animals trotted, hopped, and flew to save Goose. Meanwhile, Goose and Fox had reached his den. "Stand near the fire, Goose," he commanded. "I shall choose the perfect ears for you." As she waited, Goose began to think. "I hear that crackling fire, and I heard what Peacock said just now." "Peacock?" she exclaimed. "I can hear." "Pah!" he scoffed. "You're imagining things." This says ears for sale. Just then the animals arrived at Fox's den. "Goose," called Rabbit, "are you there?" "We have come," buzzed Bee. "Are you there? Are you there?" Goose flapped her wings with delight. "Peacock, I hear my friends. I do not need new ears. I have my ears somewhere. I am a silly goose, I guess. And now I must be going. Goodbye, dear Peacock." Bye-bye." "Oh, no," Fox sneered and bolted the door. "You're not going anywhere, Goose." He flung off his cloak, his ribbons and bows. "Fox!" gasped Goose. "Yes," said Fox. "It is I, Fox, and I am going to eat you, Goose." "Oh dear! Oh dear!" cried Goose. "I am done for, finished, cooked." Just then, Bird pecked a hole in the wall, big enough for Bee. Bee zoomed in and stung Fox on the nose. Fox howled. Goose honked with excitement. With a flick of her wings, she snatched Fox's cloak. She slung it over his head and tied him up. And then, with one mighty kick, Cow broke down the door. Fox wriggled free and ran. The animals ran after him. With Goose in the lead, they chased that wicked fox far, far away. With all of her friends around her, Rabbit, Cow, Bird, and Bee, Goose danced again on the banks of Frog Jump Pond. Goose was very, very happy. So a goose's ears are hidden in his feathers. So he can hear. He has ears. Just so you know.
Thanks for watching, friends. I thought this was a great story. I'm so glad that Fox got chased away. See you soon.
They have little babies. That's what they were fighting about. Oh, how adorable. Oh my, there's 4 of them. So sweet. Oh. Click the bell to be notified of new shows. Click on Tumpsky to subscribe. Click on the next show you want to watch. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. You can follow us on Facebook as well. Look down below under Show More. See you soon.